Heyo, boss, and happy Halloween from all of us at the Cooking Corner. We hope everyone's having a great and festive season so far. Halloween is right around the corner, and this is our Halloween special. Today's chef is going to show us how to make baked spaghetti. That's right, you didn't hear me wrong. It's baked spaghetti. Let's go ahead, turn the lights down low, and get cooking. So the first thing Chef said you're going to do is just go ahead and cook up a pound of spaghetti and place it aside, but cook it up al dente. Once that's placed aside, go ahead and get a nice large pan like so. Chef's using his big skillet today. Set the medium heat and then throw some oil right in there. Chef's going to use some canola oil. Once that's heated up, Chef's going to throw in some chopped onions. And he's going to let those cook up for a few minutes. After that, he's going to throw in some garlic, some chopped up crushed garlic there. And again, keep cooking those together. Now, Chef made a little bit of a circle, and he's going to place his ground beef right in the middle. And he's just going to cook that up with his mix and chop for several minutes, just turning that. After that, Chef's going to season this with a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of pepper, and then some Italian seasonings. And then just continue to finish cooking the ground beef. Once that's done, you can now stir everything together. And Chef took this out just to strain it a little bit, to get a little bit rid of some of that fat and oil there. And then go ahead back into the pot. If you want to do this step, it's up to you. Chef's going to go ahead and chop up some fresh basil for this. And now go ahead and add some crushed tomatoes and that fresh basil. All the directions will be on our blog. The ingredients will be listed down below as well as on our blog too, so check that out. The team's been updating that. So after stirring and cooking this for several more minutes, go ahead and add that al dente spaghetti right to your large pot and just mix this around. And you're going to, again, set this around for about another 5 or so minutes to just mix in. Make sure everything's thoroughly mixed together now. Go ahead and get a nice cooking casserole dish like Chef has here. Spray it with some non-stick spray and place the pasta right in, smoothing off the top. Then Chef is going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese. And some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. He has his oven set to right around 350 degrees. Place that in for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 or 15 minutes, Chef's going to take it out and he's going to add a little bit of fresh parsley to the top. Back in for another 5 or so minutes, and here's your outcome. Nice golden crispy top. And we're going to cut into this, of course. We want to show you what it looks like. So with a spatula, just go ahead and take this right off. It will hold together. Just use a fork. Being in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, it will make everything still nice and moist, but nice and crunchy too. So here it is. Came out really, really good. Kind of interesting take. I've never had baked spaghetti, so it was kind of cool to try. But it was a great fun dish, and it was simple. Very easy. Great dish to have. Halloween's on a Saturday this year, so we do hope everyone's going to have fun. Make this dish. Check out some of our other dishes on our site for Halloween and fun dishes too. We hope everyone's going to be safe this year. Have a fun and festive, spooky Halloween, everybody. And check out, the sites. Go out, enjoy it with your family and friends. Have fun and be safe. And don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.